Again, you're going to find a lot of these types of bars throughout Pattaya, including here on the walking street. Some nice places just to sit, people watch in the evening if you want to do that. Same as over here. It's really, yeah, if you're doing any like day excursions on a boat, you're going to come out of here probably. Either here or over by Jomtien, but mostly here. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new to our channel, welcome to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. So yes, as the title and thumbnail said, I'm gonna show you a walk down walking street here in Pattaya in the daytime. I'm not gonna do a nighttime one. It becomes too much of a party scene, not something we're really into, but I'm sure there's videos online of it at night if you wanna watch those ones. We wanna show you what it's like in the daytime if you are coming as a family or just a couple and you want to go down there and see what it's like, not in the evening. So yeah, it's right here. It looks like there's cars going down, so it must just become a walking street in the evening, late afternoon into the evening. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, let's go for a walk down here and see what it's like. So the walking street starts at the south end of Pattaya Beach, and I'm going to be doing a video of the beach as well, walking there. So if you want to check that out, the link will be in description below. This video is coming out before that one. So if you are watching it after that comes out, it'll be linked below. If not, make sure you subscribe and you'll see it. But yeah, this is a walking street here. Again, not a walking street in the daytime. There is cars and motorbikes coming down. But here you're going to find a lot of different bars, places to hang out. Again, not a lot of them are open in the day. But yeah, you're gonna have every type of bar you can think of down here. Could be just a pub. Looks like a BB gun place. I guess maybe you can shoot some guns there or something. But yeah, you can see with all the signs and stuff how at night this is gonna be all lit up Vegas style. And yeah, again, lots of partying and stuff like that. Yeah. Some questionable activities, things like that. Again, it's a party street. This is where people come on vacation, they want to party. You got a 7-Eleven right here. It says there's a pharmacy, maybe there's one going in there. Again, you're going to find a lot of these types of bars throughout Pattaya, including here on the walking street. You got a Burger King up here. There's all these little side alleys you can go down. There's other pubs and stuff down there. He cuts across to a main road. Another little pub. They all kind of look the same. They all have like just chairs, little tables set up. Another 7-Eleven about halfway down. Toilets over here, so that's when you find a lot of the places don't actually have their own toilets. It's just like a communal area. Yeah, you can see daytime there's not much going on, but it'll be ram-packed at night. There's a song tower everywhere here, so if you want to get around on one of those, it's quite easy. Just wave one down, jump on. I'm not sure how to get off. I don't know if there's like a thing you can pull. Got a tattoo place down here. Everything on the right is actually on the ocean. So some of them will actually have big decks or patios off the back that you can eat at. It's actually longer than I thought. Yeah, Tops grocery store right here. ATM machines. Looks like a Russian restaurant or a bar. See the water's there, so you can sit at these places right on the water. Super nice. So Mickey D is down here. Fancy. Flowing in the wind. Got a little alley down here, some shopping, some durian. Some nice places just to sit, people watch in the evening if you want to do that. Same as over here. It's really cool. Yeah, there's some shopping down here, jewelry. But yeah, this place actually has a pool and like places to chill around it. Yeah, it looks like a hotel right here. Looks like another pool up over here. loungers. It's probably the pool for the hotel. So yeah, this area of the street's cool because you get to the end where the pier is. You got the Pattaya City sign up on the hillside. It's like a bit of a night market right here too. Yeah, you see there's another hotel here. We'll go up to the pier, but the Pattaya sign you can see in the background. And then there's a building that hasn't been finished yet. A bit of an eyesore. Hopefully they get that fixed and finished. Let's go to the pier. Alright, so yeah, this is the pier down here. Like my rhyme, it's pretty good. Yeah, all sorts of boat tours that leave out of here. Little coffee shop on the side. Another one here. You can also take the ferry to Koh Lan, which is a nice little island. Nice blue water. But yeah, if you're doing any like day excursions on a boat, you're gonna come out of here probably. Either here or over by Jomtien, but mostly here. Yeah, you can see all of Pattaya here. And the walking street goes all along here, where we just walked. Of course, you got everybody selling sunglasses, hats, everything you need going to the island. In case you forgot them. Yeah, it's a busy waterfront with boats here in Pattaya. I'll walk to the other side here just to show you what it's like. There's the pier there. Quite large. Super windy right now too. It's been nice cool temperatures. Yeah, I see more boats here. Lots of people waiting to get on boats. You can see how awesome that building will be when they finish it. But yeah, so that's the walking street here in Pattaya. You're in the daytime, over to the pier. Yeah, again, if you're doing any excursions on a boat, you're probably going to be getting on this pier right here. So you're going to end up taking this vehicle down the walking street or walking down yourself. But just so you know, that's what it's like. This is what's at the end. The end is like the best part, all this stuff. But you can see there's like full-on tour buses. There's another way in here on like a main road, which you can see there's a bunch of buses and stuff here. So you don't have to go down the walking street to get here, but the majority of the people will be taking that route. But yeah, that's it. A little walking tour of the walking street in the daytime. Not much going on. Again, nighttime is going to be when it's really popping off. And yeah, a lot of people hanging out, partying, and working on their morning hangover. But we'll leave the video up there. If you guys did like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come with new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Sawadee.